Distilled water sources. 1. Rainwater. Rainwater is created through the evaporation and condensation processes. Water evaporates as a vapor into the sky, where it distills and forms clouds before the rain. 2. Glacier water or snow. When small ice crystals in the sky stick together, snowflakes form. As the crystals clump together, it gets heavier and falls as snow. 3. Home distillation kits. If you use a home distiller, you can make distilled water for less money than you can buy it. A home distillation kit could cost from $100 to several $100s. 4. Distill water from plants or mud. You may distill water from practically any source of water when camping or in an emergency. Cacti and ferns are ideal choices if they are accessible. 5. Distill water on your stove, grill, or campfire. Distilled water is simple to make on a stove or campfire. To avoid contamination, keep your distilled water in a clean, ideally sterile container. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.